Hello everyone, welcome in SST College of Arts and Commerce Ulhasnagar. This is SST Edupedia. Dear myself Professor Anil Telinge or SST Edupedia provide a lots of video lecture for a student to upgrade their education knowledge. Dear our today's session, it's especially helpful for FYBMS student semester 1. The subject is Introduction of Financial Accounting. You very well know in last session, a series of session, we obtained the information regarding the introduction of financial accounting, the definition of bookkeeping accountancy, as well as whatever the basic concept, guidelines, principle which need to follow while maintaining, recording, analyzing, and interpretations of the financial account. Dear, our today's sessions are really helpful because it's involve actually presentations and preparation of financial statement. The financial statement preparations follow or involve so many steps. The prime step, prime entries, and prime step is nothing but the journal. So what do you mean by journal? The definition of journal, which process include into the journal, what are the different types of the journal is our today's task. In definition, if you take into consideration accounting world define, a journal is a book where the business transaction logs for a very first time. When business transaction first time logs in any books, logs means record, maintain. Such presentations as recording is called as a journal. Its first recording, its original recording. That's why journal also called as a book of original entry. So dear, when business first transaction, monetary business transactions are recorded with the support of accounting golden rules in the very first time in any accounts or any books, it's treated as a journal book. Next, what is the concept of journal entries? It's a additional questions maybe arise in front of the student, in mind of the student. So what do you mean by journal? Dear, when first time you record the business transaction, monetary business transaction in a set called as a journal, but such a recording with the support of accounting golden rule, which already learned in 11 commerce, personal, real and nominal. When businessman or any individual follow the accounting golden rules, every transaction having a two aspect, the with support of the golden rule, when business transaction posted, recorded in a systematic manner, such entry is called as a journal entry. So journal is prime records and entry is nothing but a recording business transaction. When business organization and accountant follow the accounting golden rule, such recording is called as a journal entries. So after completion, the informations regarding the journal entries, are there any basic rules or regulations or informations regarding the journal? There are basic two types of the journal. Journal 1, general journal and special journal. The classification of journal. General journal means nothing but whatever small scale business organization, limited fund, limited capital, limited management scheme, such types of business organization for record purpose, not for the further presentations and etc. For result find out purpose, for the limited scales natures, the journal entries or journal format which is followed by the small business organization. So whatever journal record by the small business organization is called as a general journal. Sir, what do you mean by special journal? स्पेशल जर्नल के पास जब हम जाएंगे, it's a properly defined, experts say that big business organization, when they classify their journal for the recording of the business transaction, classifications conducted. When there is a preparation of subsidiary book, you all of you know that all the cash transactions separately recorded into the cash book, All credit purchase of the goods recorded in a separate book is called as a purchase books. All credit sales goods are recorded in a separate sales books. Bills receivable, bills payable, purchase return, sales return, all are the different set of books which is maintained by the big organization. Such journal is called as a special journal. So dear, see, so many easy way you all are obtain the command over the journal. Prime entry, first time loss in a books of accounts, जो भी बिजनेस की ट्रांजैक्शन ओरिजिनली रिकॉर्ड होती है, ट्रीटेड एज अ जर्नल. व्हेन recording of transaction with the help of accounting golden rules, such entries called as a journal entries. There are basic two types of journal. One is a general journal followed by the small scale business organization, and special journal, it's nothing but the big organization, it's nothing but the classifications of the journal. So journal का भी classifications किया जाता है, सब division किया जाता है, it's called as a subsidiary. In last session last slide I already explained that sales books, purchase book, purchase return, sales books and bills receivable, bills payable all are treated as a subsidiary books. When you recording all that transactions in a different set of books, such system is called as the generalizing. In generalizing, for the fulfillment of the journal entries, we need to write down the explanation. That explanation is called as the narration. Now the question arises, sir, prime entry है, लॉज फर्स्ट टाइम्स एंट्रीज होती है, बट विच प्रोसेस नीड टू फॉलो एज अ स्टूडेंट व्हेन वी रिकॉर्डिंग एनी बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन इन जर्नल बुक, विच प्रोसेस नीड टू फॉलो, विच स्टेप्स नीड टू फॉलो. तो पहले आपको क्या करना है, यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आइडेंटिफाई द अकाउंट्स. एनी transactions related to introduction of capital, transaction related to purchase of the material, transaction related to sales of the finished goods, transactions related to the payment of salary. So many transactions. It may be productive oriented, it may be office administrative oriented, it may be a finance related transaction. Whatever transactions are conducted, it's a duty of accountant to first identify the accounts. इट्स अ ड्यूटी ऑफ अकाउंटेंट. आप जर्नल में एंट्री रिकॉर्ड करते समय सबसे पहले आपको अकाउंट्स आइडेंटिफिकेशंस करना पड़ेगा. यू नो दैट अकाउंट्स में आपको जाना है पर्सनल, रियल और नॉमिनल. अकाउंट क्लासिफिकेशंस के लिए ऑलरेडी 11th में अपने नॉलेज ले चुके हैं. इन दैट पर्टिकुलर ट्रांजैक्शन इफ पर्सन्स इन्वॉल्व, account is known as a person account. In that particular transaction, asset involved, it treated as a real account. So identification of account is the first steps in the preparation of journal. See, preparation of final account, journal is the first steps, but preparation of journal, you must identify the transaction. So for identification of transaction, identification of accounts, transaction must be there, and transaction must be in a monetary term. So second steps in preparation of journal are recognition of account type. At which types account is there. तो अपने suppose money introduced into the business, it is treated as a capital. तो account आया cash account and capital account. ये दो accounts अपने identify किए. Now you must recognize that accounts. Cash belong to the real account. Capital belong to the personal account. So when you recognize the accounts, then you can apply the rules. Salary paid, accounts कौन से मिले? One is nothing but the salary, second is nothing but the paid in form of cash. So cash and salary both account are theirs. How you recognize it? Second step journal में recognition करना है, मतलब cash belong to the real account and salary belongs to the nominal account. So when you record, journalize the transaction, whether in a general journal or special journal, you must find out first of all account belong, then recognition of accounts, because recognition of accounts helpful for the third steps to apply the rule. Paid salary, salary is nominal account, say that debit all expenses and losses, credit income and gain. So salary is expenses, you must debit it to the salary, and goes out, cash goes out, so cash to be credited. So what to be debit and what to be credit, it clarify with the support of the applications of the rule. So dear, simple process for presentation of journal. First of all, identify the account from particular transaction. When you identify accounts, need to recognize account in proper ways, and when you follow both steps successfully, then there is application of rule. You apply whether personal, real or nominal account, and it apply a proper ways, narrate it. After a proper narrations, end of the process of the journal. So simple process of journal. So after definition, then comes to these are types. After these steps, the format of journal, how we need to present your journal entry, the specific set provided. It first of all, date, also date is there, particulars, voucher number, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount is the format of the journal. अब इस फॉर्मेट को हम सिस्टमेटिकली वन बाय वन देखेंगे. फर्स्ट देखो, विदाउट डेट आपके ट्रांजैक्शंस को कोई ऑथेंटिक मानेगा ही नहीं. सो फॉर ऑथेंटिफिकेशंस, accounting year, the concept of the bookkeeping and accountancy, you must maintain your transaction in a stipulated period. It's in a financial year, so every transaction को डेट होना जरूरी है. तो हमारे जर्नल के फॉर्मेट में सबसे पहला आता है डेट. हाउ टू प्रेजेंट द डेट. डेट प्रेजेंट करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ईयर इंडिकेट करना पड़ता है टॉप में. देन आफ्टर नो नीड टू इंडिकेट द ईयर. देन मंथ एंड डेट आप डालते जाइए. सो डेट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ईयर, मंथ एंड डे, इन सच वेज यू प्रेजेंट डेट. दिस कॉलम मेंशन द डेट ऑफ द ट्रांजैक्शन अलोंग विद द मंथ. मंथ के साथ आप डेट वहां पे अनाउंस करते हैं, रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. रिकॉर्ड करना चाहिए, because transaction in which year it's belong, in which month it belong, or at what date it's belong, ये आपको immediately generalize होने के लिए, understanding होने के लिए date important role play करता है. Sir, after date in format of journal, it's particulars. The question arises, what do you mean by particulars? So particular indicate which account to be affected debit and credit. Say example, we continue the same example, salary paid. So which accounts indicate a debit side and which account indicate to the credit side, all mentioned in a special separate column is called as a particular. So particular give you information which account to be debited and which account to be credited in that particular date. So date, particular. Then sir, for the truthness, fair views, every business transaction must have the documentary support. So which vouchers related with that particular transaction, voucher number also helpful for that. So number written on that particular column कि इस transaction से कौन सा voucher related है, वो किस person से related है, ये सब voucher number. Dear, with the support of journal, you need to post in ledger. So at which ledger it posted, that account need to maintain. So account or LF, ledger folio number, it's a next step. So date, particular, voucher number. If you verify again, हम उस स्लाइड्स में देखेंगे फॉर्मेट ऑफ द जर्नल में, डेट, पर्टिकुलर, वाउचर नंबर. डेट इंडिकेट at which date the transactions occur. Particular indicate the subject which to be debited and credit. Voucher give the clarification, authenticity of happening of the transactions, the number of journal. Then recording purpose, ledger should be there. So where it is posted, it recorded it to the ledger folio. numbers वहां पे होता है. देन सर डेबिट अमाउंट, क्रेडिट अमाउंट, सैलरी को कितने से डेबिट किया वो आप डेबिट को प्रेजेंट करते हो, एंड अमाउंट इंडिकेट टू द क्रेडिट. ओके, सो the debit amounts and credit amounts, it is in general format of the bookkeeping and accountancy's prime entries, it's called as a journal. Okay, in current chapters, my dear student, we obtained the informations, the prime entry, prime lodge entry, journal, जिससे आप सबको पता होगा कि a journal to be present, the definition, basic concept regarding to the types of the journal, and main focus the formatting. You keep in mind date, particulars, then comes to the voucher number, ledger folio or journal entries need to postpone into the list, And my dear student, debit and credit, a whole session helpful to obtain the command over in basic level. You thanks.